This is the most powerful tidal turbine in the world. If you want to stay updated on the latest in the world of startups, innovation, and technology, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. It generates clean power from flowing water. Orbital's unique floating platform is moored via anchors in powerful tidal streams or river currents. Underwater rotors capture the dense flowing energy. Legs lift to the water surface for maintenance. Manufactured and launched in Dundee, Orbital Marine Power's O2 was towed up to Orkney, which has some of the strongest tidal currents in the world. It has commenced grid-connected power generation at the European Marine Energy Centre, or EMEC, in Orkney. The innovative floating turbine is anchored in the Fall of Warness, where tidal speeds can exceed 3 meters per second. A subsea cable connects the 2-megawatt offshore unit to the local onshore electricity network. The 74-meter-long turbine is expected to operate in the waters off Orkney for the next 15 years, with the capacity to meet the annual electricity demand of around 2,000 UK homes with clean, predictable power from the fast-flowing waters. Orbital mentions that their platform can be scaled down to capture power from river flow, which can support off-grid demands from communities, households, and electric vehicle charge points. Orbital is now setting its sights on commercializing its technology through the deployment of multi-megawatt arrays. With a global capacity estimate of 100 gigawatts, tidal energy harvesting has the potential to power 80 million homes. What are your thoughts on the powerful O2 tidal turbine? If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video. Let us know your thoughts on the video in the comments section below.